Join me as I dive into the world of Google stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode. Google's stock performance has been a topic of interest for many investors, and today we're going to explore whether it's on the verge of a significant increase. We'll be analyzing the current challenges, recent developments, and expert predictions to help you make an informed decision. Setting the stage for an in-depth analysis, let's take a closer look at what's driving Google's stock price. Google is facing intense competition in the tech industry, with companies like Amazon and Microsoft vying for dominance. Regulatory pressures are also mounting, with governments around the world scrutinizing big tech companies like Google. Additionally, the company's recent financial results have been mixed, with some investors expressing concerns about its ability to maintain growth. These challenges are certainly having an impact on Google's stock price. The company's advertising business, which accounts for the majority of its revenue, is facing headwinds. Meanwhile, its cloud computing business is growing rapidly, but it's still a smaller contributor to overall revenue. Google's investments in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing are also drawing attention. However, it's unclear how these investments will pay off in the short term. Regulatory risks are another concern for Google, with the company facing scrutiny over issues like data privacy and market dominance. The company's recent financial results have also been impacted by the global economic slowdown. Despite these challenges, Google's strong brand and diversified business model are positives. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends will be crucial in determining its future success. Let's take a look at some recent developments that could influence Google's stock performance. The company has been investing heavily in emerging technologies, including a new AI-powered search feature that's been rolled out to users. Google's cloud computing business is also growing rapidly, with the company announcing several new partnerships with major enterprises. These developments could help drive growth and increase investor confidence. The company's recent earnings report showed a mixed picture, with revenue growth slowing due to weakness in the advertising business. However, Google's cloud computing business showed impressive growth, and the company's emerging technologies are starting to gain traction. The company's market trends are also worth watching, with the global tech industry experiencing a shift towards cloud computing and AI. A recent event that could signal a potential boom for Google stock is the company's announcement of a new AI-powered product. Several experts have weighed in on Google's prospects, with some predicting a significant increase in the stock price. According to one analyst, Google's investments in emerging technologies will pay off in the long term. Another expert noted that the company's strong brand and diversified business model make it an attractive investment opportunity. The recent product launch has generated significant buzz, with many investors excited about its potential. This new product has the potential to drive growth and increase investor confidence. With its strong brand and diversified business model, Google is well positioned to capitalize on emerging trends. To summarize, we've discussed the current challenges facing Google, including market competition and regulatory pressures. We've also explored the company's recent developments, including new product launches and earnings reports. The main insight is that Google's investments in emerging technologies could drive growth and increase investor confidence. What do you think about Google stock? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in more financial insights, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Google's prospects and provide more analysis in future videos.